Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Bueno, hoy vamos a ver cómo hacer el proyecto, ¿sí? So if you go to Unit 1, you will see that you have, where is it? Well, it's easier if you go here. So here you will have, in Unit 2, I'm sorry, you will have the proyecto, contraseña proyecto. So these are, like the word says, projects that you do in steps. So the first step is preparar, to prepare, right? So you will go ahead and answer these questions. Here are the additional materials, and you need to read this text. So once you do that, all in Spanish, of course, you need to write in Spanish. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. I just want you to produce language. That's it. I don't care if you mix up ser and estar. I don't care if you don't use accents. I don't care. Just write in Spanish as much as you can. And here you have, if you know where to put some accents, here is the little box with the special characters. Then you will move on to publicar. La entrevista. So using the information from preparar, create a 2-minute video interview, in person or virtual, where you spontaneously ask questions to a Spanish speaker in Spanish. Ojo, make sure the interviewee's answers are not scripted, and remember to request for clarification or ask the person to slow down when necessary. Entonces, so you include a greeting, at least 3 basic questions, at least 3 questions related to academics, and a farewell. Okay, the farewell, hasta luego, adiós, mucho gusto, etc. So here you can record a little video doing this. Then once you're done with that, and if you don't have anyone to interview, then you can ask me to do it, to be your interviewee. Or if you just want to pretend that you ask some questions to someone, then you can go ahead and do that. And then look at the interviews that your classmates posted. Leave comments in Spanish for at least 3 of your classmates about their videos. You can comment on their content, their language use, and the strategies that they use. Okay, so por ejemplo, hola Amanda, tu entrevista es muy interesante. Me gustan las estrategias de comprensión que usas. Okay, so pueden decir, you can say like, hola Amanda, tu entrevista es muy buena, ¿sí? Tú haces un buen trabajo, ¿ok? Algo sencillo, something like that simple. And then you do the reflexionar. So at the end, you, mis compañeros de clase, read the comments that you receive on your post and review the comments that you made. What did you learn about the people in your class, your classmates interview? What did the interviews have in common with each other? What's different? And answer in Spanish, as much Spanish as you can do. Okay? You don't have to write this long, just, you know, a few phrases, simple phrases, saying, mi entrevista es con mi mamá, ¿sí? Mi mamá habla español. Otras entrevistas son profesores. Son profesores y fueron buenos. Son muy buenas. Okay? Sorry, I tried to keep talking in past tense, but no. In present tense, ser and estar. That's it. Okay? And then remember to keep clicking here. It's not that obvious, but remember to click here. And then submit your questions, your answers, sorry. So make sure that all of the ones that you did don't have the here. So for example, here you will need to submit them, okay? So make sure that you do that before you leave for the other page, okay? So make sure that you submit it and that you are so here, you can see it here better. Okay, so make sure that you submit it. And then I will just go over it and give you a grade, depending on how much Spanish you use. Okay? And how well you... Well, not how well, because you all are doing pretty well. So just how much Spanish did you use. Okay? So, si hay preguntas, email me with questions, and then of course you can submit it during this week and after Sunday too. Like, I always accept like work, that doesn't matter. Just do it as well as you can. Okay? Adios!